Deriv, and of course, we are analyzing the synthetic aspects. Remember, Deriv doesn't just offer synthetics, they offer every other tradable asset from your pound dollar to your BTC to your Ethereum. Almost all assets I've ever come across, they actually offer it. You can actually see the description. I'll be leaving a link to Deriv for you to open an account with Deriv. That's if you don't have. If you already have an account with them, that's no problem. You can actually just come here. We do this every single day on this channel, dropping analysis on what we are looking at for on each single day. Alright, that's it. Let's start off with volatility 75 1 seconds. Alright, today is 13th of March 2026, so that means we are looking at the recent formation where this is a recent low, and currently is a low. We are expecting the market continue going bearish, it may actually come back to retest this, and that's where it determines if we are going to move back to this level. So that's it. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. Let's see which formation we are having. Are we having a bullish formation or are we having a bearish formation on 15 minutes chart? So are we coming back to retest this or are we going up, working above this for us to go long today? Alright, on the 15-minute chart, we can currently see this level right here where the market is currently respecting. Now, marking these levels, moving this way, stopping here, going this level, stopping right here, moving let's say this level, stopping here, moving here, stopping here, then moving here, breaking below this. This was the first bearish sign. Now breaking above this bullish. Now the test again. Now I want to see this market closing bullish for us to go long. If this particular candle currently being formed, closes are bullish. There's somewhere that we go long to target this first. And of course, our stop loss is going to be at this level. So if this market happens to close this bullish, that means closing above this previous rejection, right? For the first bullish candle to close above these whole levels right here. If that happens, we'll be going long somewhere around this level. Stop loss below this, then take profit minimum of 1:2 to reward ratio. So this is what we'll be targeting. Let's see if the market is going to close bullish. Alright, so that's that for volatility 75 1 seconds. Alright, so let's go to volatility 75 itself. Alright, okay, 24-hour charts. It's actually seems to be bullish, very bullish on 15 minutes. So 24-hour charts, we currently see this level right here being respected, breaking above this level. They were likely to move to this zone next. Alright, so let's see what the 15 minutes chart is actually saying. Currently, remember we are looking for bullish trade after that breaking above this, fully closing above that. This is actually supposed to be our entry, but then since we missed this level, now that means we're gonna wait for a pullback because entering here, our stop loss is gonna be generally here below this, and we can see the stop loss is actually very wide. So let's see if we're gonna get a pullback from that. Otherwise, we're gonna be marking out this zone to see the market breaking, breaking above this. If you see the market breaking above this on the long, they're gonna put our stop loss right here. Then take profits cannot be opened or 1:2 to reward ratio. I repeat, if the market closes out of this box, we go long. Stop loss below this level, then take profits can be either open or minimum of 1:2 to reward ratio. Alright, so let's go to the boom index where we're starting off with boom 500. And of course, to the 4-hour chart to see a wider view as day traders. Remember, we are analyzing as day traders, not really swing traders. We focus on what's going to happen on the recent move. Which move are we expecting next in the market? All right. So let's see what's going on the 15-minute chart. Are we testing this and going bullish to this level? Going to break below this. Now on this, we are currently seeing some bullish trade. All right. So let's wait for the first bullish candle to actually close above this also. Stop loss below. Yeah. Then take profits cannot go as high as. Oh, sorry. Let me just take this down. This level. So that's that. So let's wait for the first candle to actually close this way. Any kind of closes there bullish, the time is going to go long. Stop loss below this, and of course take profit 1:6 to reward ratio. And the bearish, you want to see the market closing below this previous low right here for us to go short on boom 500. Alright, so let's go to the boom index again to revisit 1000 this time around. Okay, let's go to the 4-hour charts. The 4-hour chart. So let's see what's going on. Are we breaking above that level? Are we going bullish? Moving from this level. Now unable to break above this, breaking below this, that shows bearish, breaking below this too, bearish. Now trying to move, but then stopping somewhere here, bearish. That means we still having bearish sentimental. So we are still overall bearish until this level gets taken out. If the market happens to close above this level, that's when you can stock off bullish. But for now, it's actually very, very bearish. So we still are we expecting bullish or bearish? Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Now on the 4 hours, the market happens to close below this on the bearish, just if I showed you earlier, closing below this, the time you can actually go bearish. But then if I happen to close above this, we go bullish. So let's see which is going to happen on the 4-hour chart for us to think of what we're going to do next. Remember, you're going to wait for the 4-hour chart on this. If the market closes bearish below this level, then we go, what's it called, short. If it closes above this, that means closing above this open right here, that means we go long. So that's that for 1000. So let's go to the crash index. So we'll be starting up the crash 500. Okay, on crash 500, here's a bullish level. Now breaking above that, are we moving above it, or are we seeing some rejections for us to go bullish, for us to go bearish? There's no any current setup, because if you're gonna be going longer here, you don't have any reason to put stop loss other than the place even below here. So that means going to anticipate the market either it goes or gives us a better setup for us to go long on. So that means once the market maybe breaking into this level, trying to move below but unable, they're getting rejected, closing above, trying to go again, unable, then going closing above again, they will now go long on crash 500. Otherwise, for the short aspect, our short rate actually comes up. Let me delete this. It's actually looking it's ugly. So our short rate actually comes up below this level, the previous low. If the market happens to close above it, then that means you can actually go short. Or then if you see the market actually moving from this, moving to this level, they have to move above. For them to go above this level, getting below this, they can actually go short from here. Is that understood? Please remember, I can drop a comment in the comment section if there's anything you don't understand. I check your comment section over and over again. Alright, so let's go to the final one, which is crash 1000. Alright, so on crash 1000, so let's go to the 4-hour charts. Coin looking bearish, very bearish. Remember this 4-hour chart, so let's go to the 15 minutes to see what's going on. Alright, so that means you have short trade right here. Stop loss this level. You take profits 1:2. Oh goodness, sorry, actually it's not gone. So we are going short. This stop loss and this take profit 1:2. Alright, so this is my trade on crash 1000. Alright, that's it. This brings to the end of the analysis with Deriv. And just as I said earlier, we do this every single day, dropping analysis on what you are expecting. Remember, this is not me telling you what to do. This is just my own view of the market. You can just use this as a guide to your own personal analysis to give you a better edge in the market. That said, I wish you a good day trader here. Please stay safe, trade safe, and don't risk more than you can afford to lose.